Bloomfield Mountain. Boy, I tell you, today I got up after my rest on the journey, and a man said to me, "Yeah man, you're a fraud, you're just big people this time." I said, "Yeah? Yeah, alright. Did you watch the 350 videos then?" No? Well, stop talk then. Stop talk. Do you know how much people I convince to come back home? You know how big that is for Jamaica? That's my journey, I show the people how beautiful Jamaica is. And spend my own money and deal with it for years. So I tell them, say, look my brethren, waste your time and converse with me. If you want to do something for Jamaica, get up and do it. When you say I'm gonna do something, as a man, don't talk about what I'm gonna do. Show him what you're doing. Then you're a man. And that is just a little boy. So I don't have time to deal with one human being. When I have to deal with thousands. Alright, people? Thousands of people I have to deal with. I can't waste my energy upon one. I'm the quickest man to block. Block. Block from discussion. Block from the YouTube. I've blocked so many Jamaicans. So some of your comments will never see the daylight. I want for soon to work. I mean, I want to figure them out. More time, and I have to just say something good and say something good. So now, even this little film, I said, show the people I'm saying, you know what? This is returning residents. Come on, what did I do to you? And dog, what me do to you? Returning residents. Them banana tree and them cactus. Them house, you see? I'm gonna live them life. I'm gonna have them little house. I'm gonna live them life. I want them little shop. I'll show you how this is done, guys. Listen. Listen, number one. Watch this. Welcome. My name Rondie, you know.
I remember you, man.
You remember me from where?
Up on hill, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
You know what is a record, you know?
Me hear, me know.
You know about me?
No, me know the phone normally do it.
So now you're on YouTube right now. Jamaica Good Life.
Yes, my boss.
Why is Jamaica good?
Well, it all depends. It all depends where you don't really say good. But the people them good and the sunshine and the climate good.
So the people them good. 90% of Jamaicans are good, right?
Automatically, yes. You know what? Everything, it's all about the parents, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Everything, you have bad people and you have good. If not the whole world you have good and bad. You know that, right?
So you would tell the people from abroad to come back?
Automatically, totally. You see now myself right now,
yeah.
You know, basically say, look, now how me live, me no need to watch me back cause me no make trouble and me live good with people. Me treat people good. You treat them more time, you know. Automatically, it's all about the parents them too. Mm-hmm. You know the parents them deal with it more time. Mm-hmm. From the home, that's how they go wrong.
Okay.
From the home, the thing go wrong. You have to set an example.
And even the fatherless homes.
Basically that.
But you've lived in Mandeville how long?
About 30 years.
30 years. You ever get robbed yet?
No. That's what I say. Depends on how you live and how you stay out.
You're a contractor?
No, not really.
We
just do mason work more time. Mason work and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I do farming too.
Farming?
Plant food.
Yeah?
For food, my food,
Are you a fooder?
my place.
Where your place is?
Right there.
Are you this?
Yeah.
The shop and everything?
Yeah, my place. You see the people,
Yeah.
when at Jamaica here, me tell you say the parents them, and most of them, the youth them go bad. Father gone, how you think it a go? The woman a go there so and him get a next man for help out the kids them are back home now so. And they must see other things that go on, different people, different father.
So this neighborhood good?
Good man. This neighborhood good.
Every now you get one on one or two
Listen,
thing.
This neighborhood good. And
Fairfield
listen to me now,
Mountain.
when you live, is when you live in your place.
Yeah.
You're alright. But you see like how me out on the street now walk and go hang out at them bar there and them man they drink them alcohol now. And that's how the problem will come in. Because some man drink the alcohol and cannot control themselves. And then there's only youth now, they love the alcohol, so that's how the problem come in. Every man want to prove, they're big, everybody grow, so they have this power, energy, and have no use for it.
They're now farm.
Yeah, that's the thing, so that get them off trigger.
Watch TV.
Yeah, so
They
when
want
they
be like-
you see me work hard now and drive out by a little place, like, and I want to go on to my business now. Them stack you know, we want to try stack you, but you have met them, so look man, me serious. Don't no joke thing, man, if you work for them, want to, you have to stand up to defend your thing.
That's a loud in Jamaica.
You have to loud, and based upon the loudness, and when you come together, you're alright. Or when you're single by yourself sometimes.
So you move with your people?
But me is a one-away man, though, you know.
Yeah.
Me socialize with everyone, but me not really
You know, move
have this
with-
with a friend.
Yeah.
I come on now, then crew, and them friend crew.
Yeah.
No man no fight for me, man, I fight for myself. So right now, I'm a right name me use for me know myself till now. If you go anywhere and you can say Brian, I must Brian or Brian.
Okay.
So based upon that, me no have no wrong doing because you don't know. If a man will say Brian, first thing I say I know Brian or Brian. If I say Brian, only Brian don't have up your me. Not true?
Yeah.
Me no do wrongs, man. And if me think of it right, if you not right, well me leave it alone.
My father.
Strength of the
You just get the work. Let me tell you.
tell you, man.
Me dey cross the street and me say to them,
man.
watch how you talk to Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
And them don't know say Jamaica,
really,
anybody,
man.
anybody, you can deal with.
Just like I say,
Yeah.
everybody starts from the home. And if anybody come from here, it's why you see your father go thief nothing, and you see your parents go hold up nobody, nor rob no one, nor kill no man for this or that, for money or whatever. You're good.
Respect. And keep
You
doing your
good.
thing, yes, sir.
Little, I say, building a day, you know. I say we grow from a baby to this stage. So how we expect to get this one, which is how we know win the lotto now, them big super jackpot. We chat.
Yeah, man. See the people. We bring books to the people. And the road boy, them see me, I say, yo, my books, you know. Them say, yeah, man, that's what they want. You see, look on the house, man. So people them do them thing, going to some land purchase. Now go out the street, you know, and I'm slippers, you know, and talk to the people, from youngsters to hard-working people. So people them and build them out. See that? I'm going to land for purchase. Come on, Jamaica. I'm not afraid still. A man said to me, Rondie, well, we should have send you money. I report that, you know. We go into the country and go places and talk to the real people and see what's going on. And then the people them come back home and buy land and we won back our country. You see me? So, watch out for the dog, yes, you know. Dog might be here, so I run after me. Watch out for the dog, you know. Look a brown dog, yeah, vicious. We bring books to the people, that man. I don't know if God made me fearless or how God made me. Everywhere I go, I just introduce myself to the people. No man, this is me. I come to talk to you, and that is it. Yeah. What a house. So them say so Jamaica still. Yeah, this is my evening walk. Now my slippers. Thank you for watching this program, and you know, we're still in Mandeville, had some challenges with the car, and we will move when the Almighty make us move. I've done some work here, and we're gonna move towards the west soon. If the car don't work out, we will take the bus, and then we'll take the bus to St. Thomas. Then we take the bus to St. Mary. We'll keep on treading. We never wait for people. We deal with the Almighty. See? This journey's been a long journey, and this is what I was born to do. So we just do it. If people support, them support. If them not support, them not support. So keep watching. Some of the videos I will send to my supporters. Some will go public. It's only fair.
Yes, please.
Yes. There's a great history in this country, and if you speak to the elders, you'll get that history. We're moving into 2020, and I feel there's a imbalance in the Western world. I've traveled and I've studied, and look at this. Look at this. Look at this, man. This is this is Manchester, Mandeville, Fairfield Mountain. Want to check it out. One thing I learned about Jamaica is this. At the bar around 7 o'clock, you want to link with some of the people there. One or two other rude boys. You need to know them, because they know everything that's going on. So if you want to be safe, sometimes you have to go and get information from the people that people perceive to be unsafe. Those people will show you how to be safe and how to move. So we'll put in Fairfield Mountain. Let me tell you something. I come up here because of Chubby Ross. And let me tell you something. I was not disappointed at all. A lot of these people, they work hard and they accomplish them dreams, and the perception that them coming home and people just killing them, it's not true. It's not so. This is one of my favorite bushes. Have a look at round thing in it. A man said to me, why am I not go to the ghetto and go film poor people? I said to him, did you see the Trenchtown video I did years ago? And a boy got scholarship because of the video? You just have to make people understand better. Did you donate so I could go through all of these neighborhoods? No! Everybody, look at this. This is Jamaica Good Life program. You know, one of them tired. Why not take a taxi? Why not take a taxi? This is not safe. This is not safe, my brethren. I know some people up on the road too.
Yeah?
How much time you do this?
Plenty time.
You know, safe. Take a taxi. The one, I don't think. That's how you talk to Jamaicans. Anything them doing, involve yourself in it. You see? Every Jamaican you meet, you see something on them shirt, say something about it. You see them a cook something, ask for some food. You see them there at the bar, say, yeah, let me get a beer now. Boom. That is the art. We're human beings, we're not robots. Every Jamaican, when a car passes, you wave. You have to tell me, say, no good people. Because the action of waving, you know, see that? My wave in blow. When we go to foreign, we forget. So we're human beings. So we're driving our car and not talk to nobody. And then all of a sudden, look how many people I met about 10 people. So if something happened to me, somebody come to me, you know the man. Them pass through, they interview me. And even some of them don't want to talk. When them see you again, you yell them up. Them say, yo, I know that you out there. And when, you see me? Love the house here. This is one of the best neighborhoods I've been in. Because the people that make sure them keep out violence out of them neighborhood, and everybody know each other. And you can, we're just so very happy about this journey because we took it from the mountains and we took it to the top. You see me? Yeah. We took it to the top. Yeah.